Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Coding 101. That's not binary for 5. Well, it is binary for 5, but I meant like the first coding course, 101. Now, this is a video that is called a Play Pause It. I'm going to use this video to introduce you to the course and all the rules and how you do stuff and where you get to certain things and tasks and all that good stuff. And because this is a Play Pause It, it's going to play and then suddenly pause. Yeah, like that. And then ask you a question or tell you something to write down in your notebooks. So now the thing is, you're not allowed to rewind, okay? And that means that when I ask a question, you have to be paying attention because you can't go back and see what it said. And they're graded. This one won't be since it's an intro and we're trying to get you used to everything. So pay attention, be ready for the pauses, and if we're to ask you questions, we're going to go through what to expect from this course and how to use the online course. So first thing, we've created all of our usernames and passwords for everything. We have Khan Academy, we have Haiku, we have Play Pause It, we have code.org, so a lot of different things. I believe we have downloaded Notepad++ at this point, if I didn't already do that. It's summertime right now, so it's like hard for me to think where we're going to be. I tried getting Sphinx to help me, but she passed out, and so did Tut over there, so they're no help with the whole situation. It's all right. Go back to sleep. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about you. So, looking at your screen, you can see my screen. I'm going to show you where some stuff is. So, on myhaikuclass.com, after you've logged in, there is the Home tab, which is where all the important stuff that I need to either access frequently or announce will be. So there's announcements right here. There's files for our Wednesday and Friday activities. There are resources that we're going to have to be going to quite often. So instead of typing in the web page, you can just click on one of these and it will bring you directly to the web page and whatever information I see fit. The next tab down is Introduction to the Course. That's where this video was. And it has how the course works and rules and consequences, and then our weekly schedule. Now, you guys are probably not going to read that, and for that reason, I'm going to go through it with you and then quiz you on it in this Play Pause It to make sure you know that. And then you're going to complete a quiz on it below to show you how the Haiku quizzes work. That way you'll have practice doing everything that is this course. So first thing, how this course works, you can pause the video for a second and read through it. So just read through this how this course works section. Go ahead and pause it now. Welcome back. So there's going to be some questions popping up. My video is going to pause and ask you a question. So first thing, true or false? This course is designed for you to go at your own pace. You should have selected true. Yes, everybody could be at a different spot. Slow people might be on module 1, fast people might be on module 3 in the second week. I don't know. Everybody's different. That's okay. All right, next question. Are you allowed to complete the modules out of order? No, you should be going in order, doing every single thing. No skipping. I planned this course to where you need all the information in previous videos, and some of those things are graded before you can move on. Deadlines. Should you wait until the actual deadline to turn something in? No, you should not. That's the absolute last day, but you should not be waiting until that day to turn something in. Especially could be a weekend or something like that. Maybe your internet's down and it didn't go in and now your assignment's counted as late. All right, class rules. I'm going to go through these. You should respect others' space, time, feelings, and work. So what this means is don't trash talk, no messing with people's files or computers, don't keep them from doing their work by annoying them or talking to them, no touching them or their things, etc. All that stuff. Next one, use your time wisely, which means just because you have a computer in front of you doesn't mean you can go do anything you want. You should be on the Haiku course or Khan Academy or code.org. You should not be watching YouTube videos of whatever you feel like. Next one, you should complete your own work, which means no copying and pasting and emailing each other files and stuff like that and try and turn it in. If I catch you, you'll automatically be doing everything by hand, no computers. You'll have a book and be teaching yourself coding on paper and pencil, which is no fun. So consequences for breaking any of these things or anything else that I see fit. You get 3 warnings every 4.5 weeks, which is a midterm. So every midterm, you get 3 warnings, which are freebies. So if I yell at you 3 times, it's okay. Nothing's happened. You get 3 freebies. 4th one, so 1 over 3. You get no parent phone call yet, but you lose the right to use your notebook on a quiz. So most of the time, you can use your notebook on a quiz. If I've got onto you 3 times, given you 3 warnings, and then now I had to go on to that next one, that 4th one, so 1 beyond the 3 warnings, you don't get to use a notebook on your quiz, so you probably won't do that well. If you do something else, now we're talking on a 5th time, the first 3 warnings plus the losing the notebook on the quiz, now a 5th time I've had to get onto you. Now your parents are being contacted, and you lose the right to use your notebook on a test. And then after that, a 6th time in 4.5 weeks, which you should not be ignoring me that much, you get a referral, and then you'll be assigned a 5-paragraph essay that has to be handwritten on computer science. Yeah, no fun. All right, so weekly schedule, next box down. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday will be on our computers. We will be working at your own pace, going through the modules 3 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Wednesday is going to be our activity day, where as a whole group or in small groups, we present assignments that we've completed to everybody. We work on new coding skills or review coding skills that people have messed up. And then Fridays is our programming day, and it might be our test day. And that's where you're going to research a programming language of your choice, or you can use Scratch or code.org and try your hand at app design. So a lot of different things can happen on Friday. Now, this video is over. You have answered questions on a play, pause it. And now, below this video on the screen, there is a quiz. And that's a different type of questioning technique. I asked you questions in this play, pause it. And now the quiz is a different type that you're going to go through and answer. That won't be graded either, since this is just practice, but it's to get you used to all the tools. So move on down to that one, give it a shot.